Okay, y'all. I just realized, I mean, I kind of been saying this all month of March, but I made the one rookie mistake that cost me getting funded and being profitable in the month of March. It's now April. I went back to paper trading. My old strategy, the strategy I would use that made me profitable in 3 months, that made me 10K in a week, made me 4K in a day, and I made the number one rookie mistake in March was trying to switch up my strategy. As soon as my old strategy wasn't hitting for like a week straight, or like not even, probably like 3 days in a row straight, I literally was like, no, I'm just simplified to get funded and do the silver bullet hour, like the fair value gap. The silver bullet fair value gap strategy, if you know what that is, there's a bunch of videos on it. Because the market structure shift will always happen in that 1 hour, so you just play a fair value gap on the 1 minute, 5 minute, or 3 minute for 1 to 2 in the direction, or wait for it to tap into a previous higher time frame fair value gap. But you just play off of fair value gaps really only. And then I was trying like all these other things, like a lot of people. Okay, so I trade the draw to liquidity, which most people do, but a lot of people like say the draw liquidity is the fair value gap. I've noticed a lot of people just wait for it to tap into the fair value gap and reverse, take out like all time highs, all time lows, or like they'll wait for the draw first and then take the market shift from the draw. Because a lot of people trade at stock market open at 9:30, 10, or like they trade all day, like 9:30 to 4:30. But I like to trade down to the draw, and I get on at 8:30, and I can usually catch it before market open. That was my thing. It was fast, it was quick, and the draw I feel like happens like 99 to 100% of the time. If it's going to a 1 hour fair value gap, why would I wait for it to get there? I'm just gonna play it down to that and get off the chart. Because I've done this when I try to play the market shift after the fair value gap, it doesn't always hit. The last few days, it's just been hitting the fair value gap or hitting the draw on liquidity and just trading sideways for the rest of the day. And for me, it's like you could have gotten that trade. A lot of times, it does give me the market structure shift at the top. So that's why I started switching my strategy, because I still trade market structure shifts. I would just trade like the 8:30 with sweep Asian or London highs, and then take down the Asian London lows. But sometimes when I get on 8:30, that happened at 8, or it might have happened at 7, or it might have happened at like 8:15 or whatever. I usually get on 8:20 so I can catch it, but sometimes I just have to get in the middle of the trade. And that's what was messing me up. Like not only catching the top or the bottom. That was like my thing. I catch the top or the bottom. So when it comes back, when it trades in the middle, I'm still in the green, so I'm more eager to wait it out. Versus when I get in at the middle, I have trouble where I'm gonna put my stop loss. Like continuation plays are not my thing. But I've been learning now, if it's just going to that draw, it's going to that draw. Whether you're gonna catch at the top or the middle, you're catching it. And since I switched back to that, like trading has been so much better. My emotions have been so much better, and I was such a good trader. If you follow me on TikTok, you follow me on here. Well, here I started posting my journey in March-ish into February when I got unprofitable, so it doesn't look like it on here. But on YouTube, on TikTok, I was literally killing it. Had 4 profit months in a row from jump, like after a break-even month, and made the rookie mistake of switching my strategy to get funded faster when there was no point to. So don't do that. Be like me, but I feel so much better with trading. I feel so much more confident in getting funded again, and I'm trading right now to get my emotions back recalibrated. Thank you for tuning into this video, and don't be like me. Just stick to your strategy. It's probably going to happen because what us beginners do, but with good risk management, I didn't blow any accounts. Yeah, I went down a little bit, but a lot of it, but I still did not blow even the futures account, only a 4K drawdown in a whole month. Because risk management is really the key. So, yeah.